Hey guys, check out my future video post of a Windows 7 PC streaming with Kodi wirelessly to an older Roku 2XS model. This streaming setup works for a Windows 7 through Windows 10 and can be streamed to a Roku, Apple TV 4, FireTV, Smart TVs, and Chromecast. So if you're interested in knowing how to wirelessly stream your PC and be able to watch any streaming website or apps installed on your PC with no Miracast requirements, then subscribe to be notified when I post.
Forgive me, Your Excellency. My concern for the spiritual welfare of the Countess, I forgot myself. I will pray for humility.
I'm using the free open source VLC media player software, and I've included the audio so that you can see and hear what the stream sounds like from my Roku 2XS.
I thought one of you might know what happened to the baggage man.
I haven't the remotest idea.
What about you?
Perhaps it had something to do with what's inside that crate.
I agree with you. He was trying to open it when something...
There's an ape that lived 2 million years ago. Got up to that crate, killed the baggage man and put him in there. Then locked everything up neat and...
If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.
Thanks for watching.